Hello guys, have you ever had a brilliant app idea but didn't know how to code? Or maybe you wanted to build a custom tool for your business but didn't have the budget to hire a developer? Well, the game has officially changed. Welcome to the future of app creation with Base 44, the AI-powered platform that lets you build fully functional web apps just by describing what you want. In the next minutes, I'll show you how you can go from a simple idea to a live working application without writing a single line of code. We will build a real world app, an inventory tracker for a small coffee shop. Let's get started. As I explained to you in other tutorials, you can just get like a free account and start building by clicking on this button. If you want to do something more serious, you can upgrade your plan to get less limits on what you can do. The magic of base 44 happens right here in this prompt box, okay? Instead of dragging and dropping components, you simply tell the AI what to build in plain English. The more detailed your initial prompt, the better the result. For our coffee shop, I'm gonna prepare the following prompt. This is what I have written. As you can see, I have been very detailed and I have told the AI exactly what I want to build, okay? Note how I'm defining the pages that I want to create, the features that I want to have, and even the data that I want to track in here, okay? The more complete, the better. You can, by the way, add style instructions, as this one's here, to, create your own, personal style. But I'm just going to skip this for now, and I'm just going to create the app by going and clicking on this button here. And now the chatbot is basically going to start working and it's going to give you like a detailed summary and the different things that it's going to try to do. And you just have to wait until it creates this. This is going to take usually like a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, depending on the complexity of the app. And just like that, after a few minutes, Base 44 has generated our app. It is incredible, guys. We have a fully functional app with built-in database, user authentication for logging in, and all of the features we have described. Here you can see basically like the main dashboard, which consists of, the total item, the low stock alerts, the categories, and the ready to serve. They look like totally fine, and even it has like good shadows, good, aesthetics. And here we have the low stock alert, and they are giving us the precise items. As you can see here, it says 6 items, and we have 6 items, okay? And it tells us, how many of them remain and things like that, which is amazing. And we also have our other section, which is the inventory. And as you can see, we have all of the different elements that are missing or that are in stock and things like that, depending on the categories. And what's cool is that we can add more, okay, by just clicking on these buttons here. We can remove or we can add more stock. There's even the option of adding even one more item in here, okay, so that's fine. Base 44 gives you 2 main views at the top. You have your preview, which is what I explained to you before, basically how it's going to look in real time. And you also have your dashboard, okay, which is going to allow you to control your app. It's like your control center. It's going to allow you to basically see all of your apps user, manage the database, and view analytics. This is an all-in-one approach. Now, the first version is actually great, but let's make it a little bit better. This is where your conversational power of Base 44 comes in. You can just refine your prompt by typing whatever you want to make it better. So you can, for example, create like one more category in the inventory management that is going to be called exceeding inventory. That is going to, take all of the items with over 200 pieces of stock, okay? And you can just click on this button and it's going to take a couple of minutes again, but it's going to get it done. Now, our app is looking great, but now we're going to replace the dummy data, which is basically like the sample data, with real data. We're just going to go to our dashboard in here. We're going to go to data, inventory items, and we can add items here or we can add data. But before that, you want to click on here on actions and you want to delete all of the items in here, okay? Because this is just sample data. Now, you guys have 2 options to import data. You can just add them manually by clicking in here. Just give it a name, a category, quantity, things like that, okay? This is just basic stuff. And you can also import the files or the stock from a file, okay? If you especially have a lot of data, this is going to be the better option. So I recommend that you do this. Whenever you finish your app and you're ready to publish, you just have to click on publish in here. And that's pretty much it. You have your available domain in here, which is going to be like a free domain made by Base 44. And you can also change it, which I show you in other tutorials. But yeah, just click on publish app and that's going to be ready. Thank you so much, guys.